Bharat Mata ki Jaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Jaya Shri Ram, Jaya Sitaram Jayam, Nari Shakti ki Jaya, other gods ki Jaya. Hello and good day to all my dear viewer, God bless you. I am Sarath C, coming to you from Thiruvananthapuram, Kerala. Welcome to the Sarath C Aviation and Rail Knowledge channel. Today, in this special seminar documentary, we are going to explore one of the most significant defense aviation and aerospace innovations of our time, Israel's Iron Drone technology. This video is designed to provide you with an international level standard of explanation, structured in pure investigational style, so that you can understand the advanced feedback, investigations, and real story analysis behind this revolutionary system. Introduction: The rise of drone warfare. In modern warfare, drones are not just surveillance platforms, they are transforming into autonomous weapons and protective shields. Israel has always been at the forefront of defense technology, pioneering systems like the Iron Dome for missile defense. But as warfare changes, drone swarms and unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, have become a major threat. To counter this, Israel has developed the Iron Drone technology, a next-generation system that integrates AI, aerospace engineering, and advanced interception capabilities. Core concept of Iron Drone. Iron Drone is essentially an autonomous counter-drone system designed to detect, identify, and neutralize hostile drones in real time. It uses a combination of radar, electro-optical sensors, AI-based recognition, and high-speed interceptor drones that can capture or destroy enemy UAVs before they reach their targets. Unlike conventional anti-aircraft systems that use missiles, Iron Drone deploys interceptor drones launched from ground stations. These interceptors chase down hostile UAVs, engage in close combat, and either disable them electronically or physically crash into them. This is not just a defense tool, it is a strategic aerospace shield against asymmetric warfare. Countries across the globe are increasingly concerned about drone-based attacks on airports, military bases, and even civilian areas. Iron Drone provides a scalable and effective solution. Investigation feedback: how it works. To understand the system in detail, let us break it down into stages. 1. Detection stage: radars and AI cameras scan the sky continuously. The system can differentiate between birds, civilian drones, and hostile UAVs. The use of AI ensures false alarms are minimized. 2. Tracking stage: once a potential threat is detected, the Iron Drone command system assigns an interceptor. Tracking data is shared via a secure communication channel. 3. Interception stage: the interceptor drone is launched at high speed. It can reach up to several hundred kilometers per hour. Using onboard AI, it locks onto the hostile UAV. 4. Neutralization stage: depending on the threat, the interceptor either jams the target electronically, deploys a net capturing mechanism, or collides to neutralize. This ensures minimal collateral damage, unlike missile-based systems. 5. Post-action analysis: the system records the engagement for feedback and AI learning. This continuous data improvement makes Iron Drone smarter with every interception. Aerospace and Aviation Standard Review. From an aviation engineering perspective, the Iron Drone represents the integration of aerospace-grade composite materials, lightweight propulsion systems, and autonomous flight algorithms. It reduces the dependency on costly missile interceptors, which can cost up to millions of dollars per launch. Instead, Iron Drone provides a cost-effective, reusable defense mechanism. The flight control systems are based on 6-axis stabilization, enabling interceptors to maneuver aggressively in midair. Propulsion is electric, providing silent but powerful acceleration. Importantly, Israel has designed the system to be mobile, allowing deployment in urban centers, airports, or even remote military bases. Global strategic impact. The implications of Iron Drone are massive. In an era where nations like Iran, China, and even smaller militant groups deploy drones for attacks, countries need advanced countermeasures. Israel has already exported the system to multiple allied nations, including the United States and India, under joint defense collaborations. For India, which faces drone threats along its western and northern borders, such technology can protect critical infrastructure like oil refineries, nuclear plants, and military bases. This technology aligns with India's Atmanirbhar Bharat vision, as joint collaborations with Israeli aerospace companies may lead to localized production and skill transfer. Malayalam explanation section for local understanding. Israelindra, Iran Drian, Oru Atyadhunika Prateredha Sanvidhanaman. Sadharanayai Missile Upayajik Seyuna Prateredhettin Pakaram, Ital Prateka, Inra Seprar Drinukal, Upayigikunu. Variaya Drian Tirikarinal, Atelektan Drian Paratti Itiktikar Kukaya, Prateka Nerkantu Pitikutukaya, Electrianic Ritiil Pravarthanam Tatayukaya Seyunu. It Sadharna Jananalut Surakshikum Sinika Mekhalikam Valer Prayajanapetunu. Translation. Israel's Iron Drone is an advanced defense system. Instead of using missiles, it employs special interceptor drones. Once a hostile drone is detected, the interceptor either crashes into it, captures it with a net, or disables it electronically. This is highly useful for both civilian safety and military defense. Special seminar analysis. In this documentary, we must also recognize the ethical and geopolitical dimensions. Drone warfare is raising questions in international law. How do we define combatants when drones are autonomous? What happens when AI makes the decision to engage? Israel's Iron Drone technology is pushing the boundaries of aerospace engineering, but it also challenges global treaties and conventions. This is why international seminars and aerospace discussions are focusing not only on the technical performance of Iron Drone but also on its implications for future warfare. Entertainment and engagement factor. For our global audience, this documentary is not just technical. It's also designed as an entertainment knowledge package. Think about it, the concept of drones fighting drones sounds like something out of a science fiction movie, yet it is real, happening today, and shaping tomorrow's battlefield. Conclusion and future outlook. To summarize, Israel's Iron Drone technology is not just a defense product, it is a game changer in aviation and aerospace defense systems. It demonstrates how AI, drones, and engineering excellence can merge to create a protective shield against the evolving threats of modern warfare. India and other global powers will certainly adapt and integrate the system to secure their skies. The Iron Drone shows us that the future battlefield is not only about soldiers and tanks but also about autonomous aerospace guardians. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for joining this international seminar documentary. This is Sarat C from the Sarat C Aviation and Rail Knowledge channel. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe for more advanced investigations and feedback reviews. Coming soon, we will bring you reports on new aerospace systems, railway technologies, psychology, biochemistry, and educational innovations through our Bharatiya LearnWise Education Foundation Knowledge channel. God bless you all. Jaya Hind.